Right now, nasa construction business kami. We do construction business in the government. We have also a design and fabrication of lampposts and lighting products. My wife owned a hardware construction supply. Yung mga anak namin, may mga hanap buhay na rin. Just open up a water refilling station. Hopefully, masustain itong ventures na ito. At ito nga, nakadagdag na itong aquaculture. And the reason why bakit kami pumasok dito, nakita ko kasi yung future ng farming, hindi lang siguro sa food security. Siguro yung future ng farming, kailangan umpisahan na dito sa Pilipinas. So, alam ko, marami naman may gusto. Siguro wala lang silang idea how to start the aquaculture project. With this venture, sakaling may makapanood na magkaroon din ng interest at mag-venture din sila sa aquaculture.
Panoorin ang full video sa ating YouTube channel, Agree sa Agri. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe.